I joined Oregon State as a young, inexperienced, bright-eyed, bushy-tailed postdoc. I just finished a postdoc. This was, again, my very first faculty position. To be honest, the Linus Pauling Institute was one of the big draws. They were an institute that I knew were doing amazing research in nutrition and health, and that was my passion. Even though we don't have a medical school, we really do health, and it's amazing to be in a community where people really think about prevention, being proactive in health, and that common goal of enabling communities everywhere to be healthy. When I first was in college, I decided to apply for a research internship, and that really changed my life. I started to ask questions. I was like, well, if these oxidants are a problem, how do we stop these diseases? And the answer was antioxidants. And that really just started the whole progression of my thoughts. We all eat food. Why don't we just eat better, help our health? And that really set me on the path in terms of really looking at how nutrition can change people's lives. And it's been my passion ever since. I think I'm lucky that I got the best of both my parents. My mom is a public health nurse, and my dad is an engineer. My career path is kind of a great mix of both, where I can still be kind of the detail-oriented science geek, but I feel I have the part of my mom in me as well in terms of wanting to make that difference in terms of helping people be better, live healthier, and have the highest quality of life. It's really been a long evolution in terms of trying to understand one thing about food. It's a really complicated thing. There's lots of differences between different types of foods. They work all together, so it's really a long puzzle to really understand how specific components of our food affect different processes in our body. I've been fortunate that I've been able to make this difference here at Oregon State.